I'm Shannon with Windblown Ideas, and I'm going to show you how to wire a paper leaf, attach that leaf to the stem of your paper flower, and reveal the mysteries of floral tape. When I attach a leaf to the stem of a paper flower, I like to use a flexible wire like Oasis Bind wire, and I attach it using a fine tip glue. This is Art Glitter Glue, dries clear with the fine metal tip. Wiring the leaf will allow me to bend and arrange it when I'm done. I'll use floral tape to attach the leaf to the stem of the flower. Floral tape isn't sticky until you stretch it, and that just kind of opens up the wax that's on the inside and it sticks to itself. I like to wrap it around and pinch it against itself and then roll it around the stem, pulling it down at about a 45-degree angle and stretching it as you go and pressing firmly with your fingers, and that should help it to stick to your wire. Now I have a firmly attached leaf that I can bend and arrange however I want.